Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US Energy Secretary urged domestic oil refiners this month to not further increase exports of fuels like gasoline and diesel, adding that the Biden administration may need to consider taking action if the plants do not build inventories. The European Central Bank needs another significant interest rate hike in September and should hit the neutral level before the end of the year, French Central Bank Chief François Villeroy de Galhau said on Saturday. It's starting to look like nothing can stop the British pound from sinking to new lows, with talk about inflation surpassing 18% next year and families across the country likely to be pushed into energy poverty this winter. The UK's economic woes are getting worse by the day.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's jobs to applicants ratio will be released at 23:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 01:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.